Uses of metals and non-metals.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Metals and non-metals are used for a variety of purposes based on their properties. Let's see some of these. Uses of metals. Iron.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Since it is hard, it is used for making machinery, construction of railways and bridges, in RCC, that is, reinforced concrete cement, along with cement for construction activities. Being good conductor of heat, it is also used for making utensils. It is also useful in making small yet useful things such as iron nails, pipes, gates, agricultural equipments, etc. Uses of copper. The most useful property of copper is high conductivity of electricity and ability to be drawn into wires. It makes copper suitable to make electric wires. It is also used for electroplating, printed circuit boards, etc. Many utensils are also made of copper. Uses of aluminium. Aluminium is also a good conductor of electricity. Furthermore, it is less costly as compared to copper, so it is used to make electrical wires. Being lightweight, it is used for making aircraft parts. It is also used in making alloys, paints, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Uses of gold and silver. Mostly, these are used for making jewelry and gift coins. Silver is used to make high reflecting mirrors. These are also used in computer and solar cells. Silver foil are used for decoration of sweets. Silver compounds are highly useful in photography. Uses of non-metals. Uses of oxygen. All living organisms need oxygen for their survival, which they obtain by respiration. Combustion reactions are possible only because of oxygen. The fuel in aeroplanes and missiles undergo combustion reaction so as to produce upward push. As a result, aeroplanes and missiles fly through air. Uses of nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for plants to prepare their food.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
All other animals depend on the same food prepared by plants. Nitrogen compounds are used to manufacture fertilizers. Uses of chlorine. Chlorine has ability to kill microorganisms. Therefore, it is used for purification of water. Bleaching powder, which is a compound of chlorine, is used in clothes, wool, and in textile industry for cleaning purposes.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Uses of red phosphorus. We all know that red phosphorus is used for making matchsticks. Also, it is used in firecrackers. Uses of tincture iodine. It is solution of iodine in alcohol. It is used as antiseptic and helps in healing of wounds. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.